Guys, what's up? This is Chris LaBash. Finally back in action. Got a new phone, new GoPro. Starting to learn how to use all that. Um, I did a lot of work to the Ultimate Hoss. I'm calling it the Ultimate Hoss since everybody wants to call it just it's nothing. It's a slash rebuild. No. I bought a stock Hoss and I changed it, so I'm calling it the Ultimate Hoss. But so let's get into it. I show you what I did. Please like, subscribe, comment, leave comments, and I'll get right back to you. Sorry I've been gone for a bit, but I still appreciate all my subscribers. And hit that like button and subscribe. Alright? Thanks, guys. Okay, so this is the Ultimate Traxxas Hoss. This is the Traxxas Hoss with an LCG chassis, a rustler, center diff, front diff, rear diff. The rear diff now has xo1 diffs in it, and I'm running 60,000 in the back. I am running 30,000 in the middle and 15,000 in the front. Now let's talk about the new Teckno drive shafts that I installed. They are right here. Okay, now we have a ball and cup in your differentials, and you also have to use their hub. As you can see here, it's plastic now. This used to be my blue aluminum hub, because they give you a bigger inner bearing, which you can see right, well, you can't really see right here. It's definitely a bigger bearing. That is very good to have. Also, there is, I pretty much show you the parts you cannot use. You cannot use these front hubs. The front bearing is the same, but it comes with bearings also, this Teckno kit. And the part numbers for the Teckno kit are the same. They are TKR6851 M6 drive shafts. Front slash, okay, they're different, never mind. And the rear are TKR6852X rear slash. This is now a totally rebuilt Hoss, okay? That's what you're looking at now. The original Hoss chassis is right here. Okay. That's going to be built now because I put in the xo1 differential, so I have two differentials just sitting here ready to go in, and I will be pretty much putting this back to a stock Hoss. This one will be a stock Hoss. Okay. And let me show you a picture of the Teckno drive shaft so you guys can really get a good glimpse of what's going on here. Okay, so this is how the cup is installed. That's your M6 drive shaft. And you see the stub axle there, M6? You cannot use your aluminum caps. this hole isn't big enough. But it does come with plastic. I have not had a problem with any of this. The hub, now the bearing right here is bearing right here is bigger. That's where the bigger bearing comes in. So you have more stabilization on the hub there, and they give you everything you need. You could just buy this kit and install the front and rear. So that was the front. If you want to see a picture of the rear, I could show you a picture of the rear right here. This is the rear. You also cannot use your, say you have aluminum rear blocks. I believe, yes, just because this bearing right here is bigger. It comes with a ton more camber toe options, front and back, and everything you need. I have broken all kinds of metal axles with this car, guys. And these are also much cheaper than going with Traxxas, and I believe Traxxas is not as good as these. So in the rear, you have your front cup, you have your drive shaft, and your whole system plastic. I'm running two 2S batteries for a 4S on this truck. I have Proline shocks in the front, and I have ZD Racing. These are big bore 1/8 scale shocks, and they work great. You just gotta kind of lighten up your oil. These springs in front are the stock rears for the Hoss. Just a spring, and also the arm. These Proline shocks were short. I had to lengthen the arm so it went down further. So it ends up at 90 hole to hole in the front shock and 100 hole to hole with the rear shock. Millimeters, 100 millimeters, 90 millimeters. I have the Max 8 120 volt, and I'm running the Armor Creighton motor. It's the Armor Creighton 2400 kV, and upgraded servo, upgraded drive shaft. Pretty much built so it can't be built no more. I do have I broke my phone and it wasn't recording right. That's why I've been gone for a while. But now I have a new phone, and I also picked up a GoPro. So learning how to get footage from the GoPro to my other stuff right now. And well, alright guys, so those are the cars. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I answer all my comments, have a ton of friends. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and we'll be out bashing soon. Thank you very much. I appreciate all my subscribers. Like I said, now I got a phone, GoPro. It's time to go get some action shots done. All right, thanks. Bye.